Apple Watch Ultra repairs will probably cost more than buying a new Series 8. Yeah. Well, I mean, look at the materials in use alone. I was looking at the price of the straps, and I was like, oh, 2 straps, and you got yourself a Apple Watch SE or something like that. It's expensive. It's premium, and it's a quick way to put close to $1,000 on everybody's wrist that wouldn't have even entertained the idea of a $1,000 watch not that long ago. I know it's $800. I'm exaggerating. Obviously, one of the downsides of the device is that it's not repairable. Well, obviously, yeah. Cracking it open to replace just one tiny malfunctioning component just isn't an option, and often repairs require all of a device's guts to be completely swapped out. Well, I was also just thinking you have a sapphire crystal in there. Those aren't cheap. Maybe that's one of the easier things to repair, though. I don't know, because it's... Oh, here we go. Apple gives us a price. Whew! $499. We'll check your service coverage to determine the final service fee. Estimated $499 to fix the watch, and it's $799. And then, of course, they put the Apple Care Plus right beside. They're like, that could have cost you $79.
Yeah,
why don't you,
dummy.
Why don't you let us become your insurance company, please? Well, while you're at it. And you're like, I already got an insurance company. They're like, you need another one.
The Apple one.
That's right.
The best one.
That's right. No green bubbles over here.
No.
Apple promises its new Apple Watch Ultra is Tonka tough with a titanium body and sapphire glass protecting the screen, but nothing is indestructible. According to the support section of Apple's website, the $799 smartwatch targeted at athletes and adventure-y types will cost $499 to fix. Yeah, well, that's not the most fun. If you have to do a battery, it'll be less, $99. But I guess they start at the high price, and then when they prepare you for the worst, then you see the repair bill is only $99, and you're like, I don't mind. But it's still more than your Apple Care Plus would have cost you. I got one of those ordered, but it's very bizarre with the ordering of the Ultra Watch because it's the bands that are the issue. Everyone wants the Alpine bands and the orange one, and I thought for the video, the orange one would be the most interesting to look at. Like, it's the one that they used in their promo, so I thought it would be the most eye-catching, but it turns out everybody wants that band, or production-wise, they have fewer of them. I don't know. But anyways, in anything but the small size, the Alpine band is pretty much delayed. Same with the Velcro band, the running band. The easiest band to get in all sizes, I think it's a one size actually, is the ocean band, the swimmer band. That's just a little tidbit for you guys. Yeah. So I might end up with the ocean band instead of the Alpine band for the video. I'm warning you in advance. Who knows? Maybe I'll find an Alpine band somewhere.
Yeah. Alibaba.
On the black market.
Yeah.